This is my Kimber 1911. And yes, I'm holding this iPhone. It's kind of shaky, but I just wanted to show everybody this sweet little ride that I got. It's the Super Carry Pro. It's got the Robar NP3 Plus coating on it. I put 50 rounds through it after I got the coating, and let me tell you, every round ran flawless. It's a branded gun, you know how Kimbers are. They're kind of finicky at first. I got some VZ slimline grips. And, y'all look at that real quick. It's pretty sweet. Got the Wilson Combat mag. It's very, very beautiful gun. Top serrations, pretty sweet. It's got night sights on it. Obviously you can't tell, but I'm just showing you anyways. But the coating is, I had it coated. It cost me like $400, but it was coated on the inside and out. All the parts, everything was coated, and it's super slick. It has that finish kind of, it feels like the Glock Jennifer finish. From what I've read from Robar, that you can throw the gun in the ocean for 1,000 hours without it rusting, which sounds kind of ludicrous, but who's going to do that? Anyways, it's real anti-corrosive from what I understand, and it's got like you put it in a holster. It's supposed to resist holster wear. I've had it for a few months. It's pretty sweet. Anyways, I just wanted to show the gun off. See what you guys think about it. This is my off-duty weapon. And yeah, that's about it. Sorry for the shaky camera.